So the Tanmay session has started. The OG is here. I'll find some time to meet him. Maybe later. Hello, good morning, namaste. I'm back again with another video. New day, new opportunities. So today I'm heading for the hackathon. Yesterday night it got super late. By the time I came back, I couldn't sleep. I don't know, something or the other was wrong with me because my chest was feeling heavy. I couldn't breathe. I had to puke, and with all that, I couldn't sleep. I don't know what was that, but I woke up at 8:30 or 9, I think, and I've gotten ready. The time is almost 9:50 now. So I'll directly head to meet Kopal, Muskan and Harshit, and we'll head to the venue. So I'll see you there. I have packed all my stuff and I'm all set to ace the day. I'll see you once I'm there. We are ready and in the cab. We are supposed to reach at 9 or at max 10. It's already 10:15 now. Harshit, 4 people team. They asked us to build a 1 pizza team. So, yeah. I change into the t-shirt soon. Let's see. Yeah. This is Pack for Bharat 2025. Vibe code and ship. So many stickers and a mouse pad with a Stanley lookalike mug. This is the whole kit and one coaster. And this is how the venue looks like. There are so many teams. So I'll get to work. Let's see. I'll network with people and find a mentor for ourselves.
proof points कि इंडियन यूजर इसके लिए पे करता है, ये प्रूवन है। या फिर अगर कुछ नहीं ऐसी फोर्साइटिंग है कि यार इंडियन कैटेगरीज के लोग पे करें, वो क्या है? I think few categories are well known, right? Like education. There's such a FOMO among all Indian parents. Everybody wants to invest. So education, healthcare, I think those are the known ones. I think you guys are proving something very interesting on the devotion side. Again, why people pay in temples and devotion? It's not logic. It's faith. It's hope that people pay for. Same for AstroTalk. It's hope that people pay for. So I think we are now emerging more digital native categories like that, where people pay. I think entertainment has always been one. Although I think the reality is only about.
Tanmay is here. His session will be next. His session will be coming up next. So I'll show you then. So the Tanmay session has started. The OG is here. I'll find some time to meet him. Maybe later.
I much prefer talking to brands and clients directly. So now like 30-40% of my deals come to me directly. Like I don't have a founder pings me directly. I have a relationship with all these guys now.
And then the last question for me, to the audience. So we launched another app which is a foundation to next basic now. Either 45 days study or it work with a functional product. And this is an app where let's say people can get content around meditation focused content around Hinduism, which is essentially you're pitting against a calm experience. Now Team Techie extremely into it. Who have built this? अब इस पॉड में जो कुछ ऐड करना है, who helps them to shape the story? Let's say, how should I think about this pod? And this is true for anyone else, for example. Team techies sitting together and building a product which works, has great retention, has great usage. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, हमने एक pod बनाया था, यहाँ कुछ तो मैजिक निकलता है. अब क्या होगा?
तो सबसे पहले मैं बोलूँगा लास्ट राउंड कितने पे रेस किया था? मुझे कितनी इक्विटी मिल सकती है? 2 हफ्ते बिताने के लिए ये तो फाउंडेशनल प्रॉब्लम है यार। तो क्रिएट
कम पैसे का तो ठीक है, बात करते हैं।
foundational problem here. Like, this is it's like I get this a lot, man. Where I work with companies that are
How are you?
वो लंच के लिए चला गया
बन रहा है कुछ नहीं
छोड़ने इंटरव्यू ले रहा था भाई मैं
दे भी रहा था तू तो
I've just woken up so
you look ever fresh that's okay
quite tired anyway
now Varun's AI is not here you never know anyways Varun I wanted to ask you about the AI landscape since you have been we just sat down to have lunch now काफ़ी ओवरवेलमिंग हो रहे हैं सेशंस थोड़े से टाइम बहुत कम ही मिल रहा है आपके लिए पर जितने मिनटों से बात कर रहा हूँ अच्छा ही लग रहा है उनको तो लेट्स सी
Because I tell you, we're not stupid people. So, whatever product you're doing, let's say your product doesn't have PMF, but you had 100 times the number of links. Okay? You will eventually fix the product. Cameron called over here, such boलिए.
dinner so this is Darsh from Apps for Bharat he is helping me with the project he is also figuring out with me let's see obviously he's gonna figure out for sure
let's figure out bro let's figure out so where is the mic for this
here I have it ready
hi that's all
whatever prize we win Darsh gets a percentage for sure I'm promising it on the vlog yeah for sure so Muskan and Kopal have called for a timeout they have called it a day already our minions are heading home हंसते थे minions सुन के Bye guys. I'll show a reference image. हर्षित इसके साथ में खड़ी हो खड़े हो भाई इनके सामने एक बार I'll show a reference with हर्षित हर्षित आना इधर हाँ मेरा और दिखाऊंगा सी कपल पेरिस कपल see my reference
अपना क्यों कर रहा है पीछे करना
it's already been almost 12 hours or more I think 18 hours yeah it's almost been about 15 hours that I am up and I'm not even feeling a little bit of sleep or I'm not feeling sleepy at all I'm really liking the grind I'm not gonna go home tonight I'm gonna finish building the app and everything because the team is relying on me and I have taken up the responsibility so that's what I'm going to do sitting with a fellow developer who's helping me out I'm also learning things I'll maybe later experiment and everything so yeah let's see so anyways I'll see you in a while
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 53,
the show stealer Darsh Harshit and I still up it's 5 in the morning now I haven't gotten the urge to sleep also there's no time to sleep for us nobody has slept everyone is innovating creating and everything challenging and pushing their limits that's what happens in the hackathon I have organized many hackathons I have participated in one last year but this is so far the best I think I'm really liking this whole company not the company yes our product is almost ready the wireframe is ready whatever idea we decided and thought through, the picture has come into place. We are innovating on the notification panel, so it looks really crazy. I'll show you once we have the demo. Even if not the demo, I'll show you the wireframe once I have it in place. So yeah, I'll see you later. The boys are messing with their friends.
Vlog. Morning vlog.
I'm not sure when the day ended,
Planned vlog.
when the day started. It will be a continuous vlog, I think 89 and 90 or whatever day it was. I couldn't edit the videos yesterday. Today also I could edit. I'll finish editing maybe the videos. I'll sit down for a while. Let's see. Anyways, I'm still not sleepy. I have a few more preparation pointers to prepare. Let's see. For now I am preparing breakfast to my developer.
Very planned.
म्यूजली का पैकेट था पता है वहाँ पे, बाद में पता चला मुझे
मैंने बोला ना पैकेट होगा.
अंदर था. चलो, I'll see you.